Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing. In this video we find out if Bang Olufsen headphones from Wish are legit or counterfeit. Let's get this open and find out. So here we got the box. It says Bang Olufsen Beoplay H5 wireless earphones, wireless, comfortable, 5 hours, Bluetooth. If somebody knows what this is, yeah, let me know. Made for beautiful music. And here is something that's wrong. It says turn on, pair with Bluetooth, download the Beoplay app. If you've seen the other video, I'll link it up here. It's my Beoplay H8s that I unboxed like 3 years ago. And I have the Beoplay app. I use a pair of Bang Olufsen headphones all day. So I mean, if this is legit, I'll know. You can read everything I have to say. The box looks really good. Looks legit. Beoplay looks really good. So the only really strange part is that it's really light. I remember the H8s were really heavy. You felt there was something really nice inside. This feels empty, feels cheap. And there they are. This feels premium. Feels like the right quality. Hard to say just from feeling it, but this is some kind of metal, soft touch plastic. Yeah, so nope, this is counterfeit. This is not the way that Bang Olufsen, the kings of headphones, ship their nope. The other really obvious, this is not made of aluminum. And I mean, look at this. Can you see that? I mean, the plastic isn't even. The plastic isn't even level. It's not even kind of nicely made. Jesus Christ. Do you see how crooked that is? Is it coming out on video? I don't know. I mean, just feels really badly put together. I mean, just wonky. I mean, the buttons aren't even. You see that they're not even? Really, not even that they're not even trying at this point. It's so bad they're not even trying. The Chinese need the money that bad? They didn't even come with other sizes of the rubber thingamajigs that you put in your ears. They came with the headphones, a cable, and a shitty piece of paper that doesn't teach you anything. Do not buy this pair of headphones. Did you hear that? Do not buy these pairs of headphones. I'm really sorry. This is crap. If you want me to do a sound test or whatever you want to call it on the quality of the headphones, I'll do that for you. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like on this video to let me know that you did not fall for this scam. Oh! Bonus! They're magnetized. Or they have magnets in them. That's a bonus. Not. Jesus. I'm not even mad because I kind of knew they were counterfeit when I bought them. But I thought they was, I mean, they say Bang Olufsen. I mean, this is not Bang Olufsen quality, man. I'm just sad because I gave them not a lot of money, but I really did not get a lot. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up to let me know that you did not get scammed by this. Don't forget to subscribe to get more content like this. Or if you want me to sound test these and tell you what they sound like, I'll do another video. And don't forget to subscribe to get that video in that case. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.